the season of love.
Welcome to my channel. So I decided with my husband that we're going to go for my birthdays on the cruise from New Orleans to check the Mexico and Cayman Islands. So welcome to the voyage of my vacation trip, and I loved it. So on the cruise there is a bunch of different classes that I always love to take. This is the folding a napkin class that I was in love with it. Lots of great ideas for any kind of parties, how to fold a napkin. I recorded the ones that is most fun. It's like a lotus flower, I think. So it is brilliant. A lot of people going for any kind of classes like this. Comment to me, which cruise lines do you like and what exactly do you like to do when you are on a cruise? Or if you've never been on a cruise, let me know which place would be the first place for you to go, because that was our third cruise already, and we took one to Alaska, and I am highly recommending going to Alaska. It is such an amazing experience. So that was the one of the cruises that we always wanted to go and check the Yucatan and the other side of the Mexico and Cayman Islands. And cruise lines are amazing. This is the Cozumel, the first trip, and I'm not sure if you can see all those crazy wildlife around. And this is the Mayan Ruins in Cozumel with amazing hibiscus flowers and ruins, and oh my god, it is magical. It is hot and humid even in October, but worth going. To record this video and to let you guys to see it, I had to pay $4 for the allowance. Record with the cell phone, you don't have to pay it.
We are here in the big plaza. If maybe you feel it or not, my friends, when we are walking here, we can see and we can feel like a climb sensation. Mis amigos, according to the positions, here, the altar is the high place in the city. Why we can find the altar on the more high place on the area? Friends, they believe when they climb on the top, closer point to the heaven, to the gods. Around the altar, the priest, high class. Around the plaza, low class. Friends, of course, both classes use it. Both classes climb. Just as soon you finish, you need to return with your people. High classes stay here, low class they go out. Friends, and around it, you can see it in many areas, many information, they can talking about bonds. Friends, and as soon as I show you these altars, people automatic think it's where the people practice a sacrifice ceremonies. Friends, Maya people believe in sacrifice, see. They believe in an animal sacrifice and a human sacrifice ceremonies. Why a human sacrifice? They believe the blood it's necessary to give back to the gods. Friends, but how was it here? Friends, we find a lot of bonds. You can read it in all the little platforms, friends, a lot of bonds, but no one has the description or the marks to give us the answer to the people do a sacrifice ceremonies here. Friends, all the bonds around it is most a berry area. Friends, when we find a bonds and we're looking for the answer to a sacrifice ceremony, we're looking for 3 bonds in particular. We're looking for 2 ribs, the 4th and 5th, and the tiny bond to support our head. Mis amigos, why that 3 bonds? Because the Maya people has 2 sacrifices. They take the head out and the heart too. Friends, that's why they're looking for the tiny bone to connect the neck and our head, friends, because there has a mark. Was to give us the presentation in the language, in Maya.
Bashka Walid Sukum, Bashka Betik, Mishba, Shentu Pasle Mak, Bishani Kesh La Kesh. Por favor, no tengan miedo. Please don't be afraid, don't be scared. Okay? This ceremony is a purification process for you, and the welcome to Cozumel and protection for the group. Okay? This is Mayan mentality, this is my culture. There will be no sacrifices, okay? Maybe tomorrow, just say. Empecemos. Malo Kim Sukum Bishabelesh Hashkimak invo in chaotic tech. Tansyunang kap, Jekyll kap, Kalitagoni. Mina yetel tiak meya. Signali. Anashta tabinakastik. Tu ush ajakta uyik elol. Lebishatiuleches iskalap. Letik kanatik agotoch. Lekutal tulukin kustal. Tiolale sunam. Ayukel kap. Jumbotik. Jumbotik in Mayan language means thank you. Jumbotik sukum. Thank you for your visit. Shentu pas lema bishani kesh la kesh hash ukin mak invo. Malo kanantabah tesh. Masahakta kanantabel yut ilma. Ahora por favor please repeat after me. Jumbotik.
Jumbotik.
Bien, very nice. Your accent is good. Do you speak Maya? Muy bien. Ahora ya están listos. You are ready now. Please follow your guide.
Is made by symbols, like you can see it. The symbol is a kind of months. If you count total, we can see 19. My friends, 18 symbols or 18 months is made by 20 days and 1 of 5. 18 of 20, my friends, 360. 1 more of 5, 365. Mis amigos, the Maya people, they need to see the sun all the time. For make a calendar of the moon could be easy. Why? The moon is easy to follow all the time. But imagine it to follow the sun for 12 hours a day, 365 days, my friends, is painful and we can lose in our vision. Maya people use a particular stone, call it black obsidian.
In the Mayan bee sanctuary, we were lucky to see those tiny bees that produce this delicious honey. Of course, I had to buy some honey. I love honey. And oh my god, I never seen a process of where these bees live in those kind of like pieces of the wood. And in Cozumel we went to be on the beach where we had delicious food and the best margarita ever. Oh my god, that was so good, especially those shrimps. And then we went to check the water, and crystal clear water, warm, amazing. And back on the ship, and this is the Cayman Islands. It's good to go and see, but I think Cozumel is the best beaches. I was kind of a little bit discouraged with the chickens and the roosters running around everywhere, and that's why it's a short video. And unfortunately, Cayman Islands started to say goodbye with us with a storm, so we were heading to Progreso, and unfortunately on the morning we woke up, the port of Progreso was closed because of too much wind and waves. So unfortunately the best part of the trip had to be cancelled. It was the Mayan pyramids in Chichen Itza, the best ever things that I always wanted to see, so maybe next time.
The second one, spicy tuna. This ground fresh tuna with sriracha. You know the sriracha, right? It's spicy. Okay. The third one is California or Maki ham roll. Got it, chef?
Yep.
Okay. The last one, chef sushi or chef selection. This shrimp nigiri. Got it, chef?
Yep.
Okay, chef. Before you start, check your gloves. It's dry, right?
Yes.
Very dry. Also, your rice is sticky. If you don't use the olive oil, not easy to make sushi because the rice you put only in your gloves, right?
Okay.
That's why you're using olive oil. Just only drop your finger, scrub.
What's this?
Oh,
There you go, chef.
I was like, oh,
Yes.
thank you.
You don't make it.
There you go, chef.
Oh, that's the trick with the olive oil.
You need to cover your rice. Got it, chef? Take if you have tape. If you have your tape. you fold, put inside. You got it, chef, like this. Fold. Every time you fold your nourish it, put inside, too easy to fold. You see the edge, put in the bottom. Don't press hard every time you make. You see, rolling like that. I show you like this, chef. Very simple.
Like this
There you go, chef. Just only fold. Straight line. Now your wasabi on shrimp at the back, like shrimp nigiri. Press both sides. To taste your sushi.
That was the best class, the sushi class. Oh my god, the sushi was so delicious. And now a little bit preview of what we had as of the food on the cruise. With this candy, I was like a kid again. And you had a choice of so many foods, a food for anyone. If you like the hamburgers, if you like the salads, if you like a lot of sweets, the best breakfast on the Royal Caribbean I ever had. You had even a chocolate things, you had a ramen, you had a miso soup, whatever you liked it, and the best onion soup. And oh my god, I was amazed because they had a whole turkey, they had a roasted lamb, roasted beef, roasted pork, and chickens. Someone from Poland too, and that's it. Now it's a time for New Orleans. It was fun, and this is amazing. They have weddings like that. I was impressed. And this is a quick trip to Oak Alley Plantation and a quick Orleans food.
For you.